Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can manage support request notification on your Instagram. Maybe you want to limit those notifications but you don't know how. So today I am going to show you on how you can manage support request notification on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then from here, you'll see here your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And then from your profile page, simply tap on these three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, select Settings and Privacy. And then from here, you will see how you use Instagram. Tap on these notifications. And then in here, you will see the option from Instagram. Tap on this from Instagram. And then in here, you will see support requests. To manage your support request notification, you can turn it on or off. For example, you want it to turn it off, simply tap on this circle beside the off. And now it is now turned off. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage support request notifications, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage support request notifications on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.